The drone world just got exciting. The DJI Avata360 launched in China on March 26 and is already creating a buying frenzy. So naturally speaking, the big question is, how does it compare to the Antigravity A1? Let's react to the footage and break it down. First impression, wow, the flight looks incredibly smooth and almost effortless. And that image clarity, instantly eye-catching. The transitions between sky and ground feel seamless and immersive. Starting with the price, the Avata360 begins at $449 drone only and $659 for the bundle, which is great for both new users and existing Avata owners. In contrast, the Antigravity A1 only comes at a bundle at much higher price point. The flexibility alone makes the Avata360 far more user-friendly. Now, image quality. This is a standout. 1-inch flagship imaging, 8K 60fps HDR video and 120 megapixel photos. Watching the footage, the panoramic shots look incredibly clean with no visible stitching. Compared to the A1's smaller sensor and 8K 30fps, the Avata360 clearly delivers sharper and more dynamic visuals. For flight safety, the Avata360 features omnidirectional obstacle sensing and works even in 1 lux lighting. That's impressive. It also includes an integrated propeller guard, making it safer and more beginner-friendly. On transmission, the Avata360 offers up to 20 km range with O4 plus Full HD video transmission. The footage looks smooth with minimal lag even in complex environments. Now the fun part, immersion and control. The Avata360 supports both 360 and single lens modes, along with motion control and FPV goggles. It feels incredibly immersive, like you're actually flying. The simplified controls and 5D button make the operation intuitive, even mid-flight. The A1 feels more limited here, with fewer control options. A few more extras, 42GB internal storage, integrated goggle storage, and a more premium, compact design. Everything feels thoughtfully built for convenience and performance with integrated goggle storage. Some standout moments, the 360 capture looks stunning and the FPV shots feel fluid and controlled. It's not just about flying, it's about experiencing the flight. Right now, it's available for overseas pre-order, with expected shipping around April 9. So it won't be long before it reaches global users. Safety and immersive control experience. It feels like a complete package, and honestly, I can't wait to try it. Thank you for watching.